All right, so let's check the markets, and you should be able to see my screen right now. Do you see a
Yep.
trading view there, Jared?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Yeah, there are no reports for today. And then with the S&P, this is my range after looking here from this low of 28.53, 29.04. It actually hit 28.90. And then all of a sudden, there's a rejection, got rejected. I am bearish with the S&P as of next week. What's your take on it, Jared?
Yeah, gravestone level of supply.
So pullback will be around back to 26.40. This here, but there's a lot of level confluence here too. So let's look at the weekly. Notice it ran out of steam. So either we're going to see more continuation to the downside, or it's going to create a higher low to retest here and then perhaps rebound, because after 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, pretty much 1 month of it correcting. I mean, 4 weeks, yeah, 1 month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 month dropping, 1 month correcting. So yeah, I'm bearish with the S&P through there. So if I'm bearish with the S&P, then back to the bulls with the VIX. So retested higher low, almost a hammer. Probability to come back 47, 55, 50, yeah, around 60. It's also highly probable basically from here. Let's look, see if there's any regards to major news next week. Nothing. Thursday, yes, we have unemployment claims, flash manufacturing PMI. So there's nothing major here in the US next week. It's pretty quiet for some reason. So it'll be interesting what the reports are going to be then.
Yeah.
So look at the Dow. Dow, same. We have a hammer, way stronger. Actually, didn't want to hit around the 6th percentile, but pretty close to this low 24,682. High of today is 24,433. So minor correction as well will happen through here, either all the way to 50th percentile that has a confluence. So run back to 21, if not back down to 18. So I'm bearish as well with the Dow. And let's look at the dollar index. Dollar index. Ooh. Okay. I'm bearish. Two days in a row. There's a lot of rejection. So the high of today is what, 100.29, 130, clear cut of a lower high. Interesting is 0.01 of a point. And bearish with the dollar index. Doesn't look good either with the weekly. We have uncertainty. Oh, okay, but we have a clear cut of a lower high. Last time it created a lower low, I believe was here, 98. Sorry, 27, 29. So this one. lower high, lower low can reach all the way around 97.99. So I'm going to stick to being bearish with the dollar next, and I'll stick to the euro. Oh, it did come back up. It'll be great if you're going to hold like this. And we'll look into that one. So you have now a higher low through there. Maybe a short reverse Hail Mary with the euro. We'll look into that later on in a few minutes. And TYX, it was positive earlier, now back to negative. I reckon they're going to retest 10 and 9 daily time frame, back to the buying area to retest this gap. Let's look at oil. Oil just positive a little bit from a higher low. So another uncertainty. They don't know where to go. There's no clear cut. It would have been nice if it would be good if the closing price will finish above at least halfway of the body of this candle right there. What's your take on this, Jared?
Sorry, I was muted. It created that higher low from that bullish force, so
Right.
potential for it to come up a bit before seeing if it wants to stop at a lower high or
Exactly.
continue out.
Back to around 34, somewhere
Yeah.
here.
Yep.
And then with crude oil, sorry, there was a Brent oil, crude oil, back to Texas oil, created new lows today. 19,309, 1912, 1930. Okay, still higher low. See, with perception, it's almost like, well, this one looks lower compared to that, right? But in actual fact, it's not. Area of demand, then low risk, high probability as a form of a test trade. Notice it's way oversold. There is a possibility of a correction here too with Texas oil. Look at gold, is down, clear cut of a lower high. I'm bearish all the way down here to the 60th percentile, which is also the confluence from 38 and 62 from the small impulse to the bigger impulse. So I'm bearish with this to create a lower low. And that would be the case. That's pretty much it with the macros. I think one more is copper. Copper is also very bullish, creating new highs. Yeah, I was long the Aussie yesterday. I put my stop on the low of this. Man, it was so close. It took me 62.84 minus 15.74 was 69. Look, it took 63.8 and then it came back up just for a correction. I believe this is gonna fail. I'm just waiting for it to head back down, like create a lower high. If there's a clear cut of a lower high, well, which it already has, then I'm bearish with the Aussie. All right, let's look at potential trades. I'm still shocked with what happened, man. Like, what? It was such an entertainment. All right, let's begin with the euro here for a second. Can the closing price at least close above one of the moving averages? It's pretty, it has to at least close above 108.90. So another 10 pips. Or else we have an M3 to go short through here. Then the lower high takes precedence. However, if the dollar index has some room to head back up, I mean, to come back down, then he's going to go up. And this one already broke through yesterday. What's your take on this, Jared?
Yeah, kind of in that consolidation phase on like a bigger frequency.
Exactly.
A potential higher low on Monday's close as well.
Exactly. 4 hours says to buy from a lower low, but you have a lot of force over there. Close 641, so that even if we go to the ask, close 651, qualified by 1 pipet. And we also have a lower high after 3 hours and 40 minutes. So we'll see. Let's look at the weekly. Oh, the weekly has a higher low here. We also have an M3 of a short, but they don't want to push it to the downside. So it is pretty strong in regards to the buying area through here. And the month is not finished yet. Also has it has to fill these gaps still though, longer term. So we're just focusing here on the daily time frame, short term. It'll be interesting what we'll do by the end of the day. High of this one, 93. 94.8. Can you close at one? If you close at 109, even better. So we'll see when that comes up at the closing price. Definitely have an M3 there. Oof. All right, let's look at the dollar CAD. If oil will be stronger, CAD will be stronger, then this is going to drop. But you have an M3 yesterday. I actually went long with this. I did a test trade for this yesterday as a continuation. It's just correcting itself to the upside. So still holding the long position. Weekly, still bullish, you see. So I believe there's more for this. Still bullish with dollar CAD. 4 hours was an entry to short through there. Correction, second, back. All right. Aussie being gold, being bearish. Likewise for copper. It's still basically bullish. 4 hours daily time frame from higher low. So it's holding its price much better. This is where I'm looking at around 64.30. And then I want to see as a short. Once there's a clear cut of a lower high, then shorting this will be a better reference leg. Weekly time frame, we're crossing the 8 of the 10 for the first time. So it'll be interesting next week. No entries. Dollar Swiss still within the realm of the sellers. Still basically from that entry you're selling correction. Still bearish there basically then. Weekly doesn't want to go up. So technically it's still also still bearish. 4 hours back to the sell side still. So nothing. Dollar yen going through a bigger time frame. Nothing. It is still saying sell from lower high, another lower high, then a lower low back to 106.44. Then that means that the dollar is still pretty weak. All right, pretty cool. Daily time frame. Yeah, just holding. This trend line is supporting the price. There's more room to get here, 105.80. Last but not the least, let's go through the pound week. Hitting the correctional phase, 62 from the low. Wow, 1,000 pips in 1 month. That's pretty cool. And 25.35, almost 2,000 pips to the upside. To the downside, ouch. Yep, 17, 1,200. So this could reverse as well, or hold its price and will continue to break above the 8 of 10. Other than that, it touched the 8 of 10 yesterday in your lower low from higher high, potential higher low, and then continuation through there. If it breaks through this trend line, then this is going to come back up to where it's going to go to 76, back to retest 32. All right, let's look at the euro. Euro weekly bearish, touching demand. Daily. Here we have a clear cut of a higher low running out of steam. I bet you that's way that's oversold at this point. Bam. Right, M1. And there's a nice one there to go on. Third opportunity. From a clear first opportunity, second opportunity, third opportunity, actually now fourth opportunity. So definitely this area is pretty strong. Euro, yeah. Okay, sorry, I was just taking notes there, Jared.
It's all good.
Yes, M1, nothing for M3, pound. Also in a correctional state. Notice that the pound is way stronger than the euro. Oh, might have an M3 to short here today. Seems that the pound is weak. That's cool. Actually, I like that.
Yeah.
It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty weak. Lower high. Yeah, this one has a higher probability. Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, let's go through Aussie and Japanese yen. That's also looks pretty weak. Daily time frame is still within the 8 or 10. CAD yen still basically on the sell. There's a sell. This could continue to drop back down. Kiwi sell. Huh. That's basically it for today, Jared. Any questions? So I like the pound.
Yeah, the pound looks pretty good.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. If there's have no questions, Jared, then we'll wrap it up. You have a great weekend.
Thanks, Ray. You as well.
We'll see you next week.
All right.
Still freaking cracking up with that one.
Yeah.
Bye, Jared.
All right. Take it easy, Ray.
You too.